Hello class, welcome back to the unit. Our topic of course is food, glorious food, and at the start of the unit I promised we'd be looking at different aspects of food and food preparation, working towards our project, the school menu. But what I'd like you to do is, before you come to the class, I'd like you to do a little bit of research. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to collect information about your favorite dish, the dish that you most like to eat. And I'd like you to research how you make that dish, your favorite dish. Perhaps you can ask somebody at home who knows how to make that dish. And I want you to think about the ingredients. So think about the ingredients you need for your favorite dish, and also the cooking methods, how you prepare the dish. Now, if you can't ask somebody at home, then perhaps you could ask, you could look on the internet as well, type that in and find out how you prepare your favorite dish. So that's going to be very important, because tomorrow we're actually going to be looking at, we'll be listening to a student, a young chef of the year, who's going to be telling us about a dish they prepare. And we'll be learning some, using some important vocabulary in that in tomorrow's class. And here I can just highlight what those important words are. I'll just circle that for you. This is the activity related to the cooking verbs. Remember, we had a look at words to describe food items, and now in this section we're looking at verbs in the preparation of food. And you see here there's a variety of words here. For example, mix. What does mix mean? Well, you can see on the picture there are some pictures here related to those words, and what I'd like you to do is to identify what those words mean. Here, for example, which is mix here. If you look at this picture, I think there's somebody mixing a salad. So here we could connect those words very easily, and we'd have mixing a salad. What about the next word? Fry. Can you find the word fry in the pictures? Well, actually, I think what you probably find here is this first one is fry. So this word fry, he's frying some fish. Chop. What about chopping? Can you see anything being chopped? Here, there looks some delicious picture there of tomatoes and lettuce. You remember that from yesterday? A red tomato and a green lettuce there. And they have a knife and they're chopping that before they put it in the salad. So we have chop, and that's going to be an important word for you. What about another word? Wash. This is very important when, especially with salads, you need to wash the salads carefully. Very often, if you they're dirty when they arrive, but also they have chemicals on, so it's very important to wash salads properly before we eat them. So wash is another word there, and we can link that to this picture. And then there are two pictures here for add, actually. Can you see those? Yeah, they're adding the fish to the salad, but also adding salt, aren't they? They're putting adding salt to the salad. So you don't put too much salt in, but you should always taste it to make sure you have enough. Otherwise it won't taste as nice, but not too much. So add here is as another word, and maybe we could just highlight that as well. Add. We can add. Okay, so we can add these two things, and also add that one. And what about the final one? Peel. Now this one makes you cry. You can see a picture of someone with. Do you know what that is? Can you remember that word? They make you cry when you peel them. An onion. Onion makes you cry. I hate peeling onions. They make me cry. So we can add that to here. This is peel. So we'll be looking at these words and doing an activity related to these words in class. But these words will help you think about your favourite dish. How do you prepare your favourite dish? Can you use any of those words in the cooking method as well? Bring that in tomorrow, and we'll be discussing that in class with the words that we've been learning.